Hey guys, Ian Mayer-Marzalek here, Senior National Trainer for Schwarzkopf Professional USA. Welcome to this IGORA VIBRANCE series of videos where we help you figure out how to use IGORA VIBRANCE every single day behind the chair in the salon. Here's a look at our digital shade chart. There's well over 60 shades here that, by the way, perfectly match our IGORA Royal range, and when you pair the two together, it's called our dual application system. Let's show you a second chart on how to utilize and navigate all these shades. Here in this chart, you'll see, how do I get the best gray blending? If I do want that, do I have to mix a neutral with a fashion shade? How much coverage do I get? How many shampoos are in my pastel shades? At this point, you might want to take a pause so that you can take in all of the information that this chart has to say. So here we wanted to show you that you can utilize IGORA VIBRANCE Clear to dilute anything in the assortment. What we're going to show you is our 9-42 Level 9 Beige Blue, straight up mixed with activator, and then mixed 1-to-1 with clear, 1-to-2 with clear, and 1-to-3 with clear. So this is an example of our first swatch. This is the IGORA VIBRANCE 9-42. You can see it's a really beautiful Level 9 Beige Blue. What you'll see here is that we mixed 9-42, 1 part 9-42, 1 part clear, all equal parts activator lotion. And then here you can see that 9-42 is 1 part 9-42, 2 parts clear. And then lastly, what happens if I take 9-42 and mix it with 3 parts clear? So here you can see the progression from deeper to paler, all utilizing clear to dilute tone intensity. One of the